Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to share Synthesia videos and make your completed AI videos available to your audience, team, or clients. First, open Synthesia and go to the project containing the video you want to share. Before sharing it, make sure the video is completely finished and has been reviewed from beginning to end. Start by checking the AI avatar, voice, pronunciation, script, visuals, subtitles, and overall presentation. If you notice any mistakes, fix them before sharing the video. Once your video is ready, look for the sharing option in your Synthesia project. Depending on the available options for your account, you may be able to share the video directly or provide access through a link. Before sharing, think about who needs to view the video. If it's a training video, you may want to share it with employees or students. For business presentations, you might share it with your team or clients. If Synthesia provides different access or visibility options, choose the one that matches your needs. Make sure you understand who can access the video before sending the link. Next, copy the available share link or use the appropriate sharing option. You can then send it through email, messaging platforms, workplace communication tools, or other channels. For public content, you can also use the completed video on platforms such as YouTube, websites, or social media. Before sending the video to clients or colleagues, open the shared version yourself and check that it works correctly.